Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of network on the application of Yazio. You will go to settings. In this page you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list you will scrolling down until you find this window of Yazio. Here in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here we click on clear cache. Then you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix this problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and enjoy.